Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place.stampinup.net, and I am coming to you with week 5. Can you believe that? Week 5 of the 10 weeks of Halloween, and we are going to be making this cute little pencil holder. But before we get started, I'd like to tell you a little bit of information of some stuff that's going on in Bonnie's world. So first of all, if you haven't joined the paper pumpkin kit or would like to, in the description box below there is a link that takes you right to the paper pumpkin and explains everything to you. This is our fall kit, which is going to be for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and fall all in one. So if you don't do Halloween, you have an option of some other ones, and you have until the 10th of September to join that. Second of all, if you order any of the supplies or anything that you see in this video or any of my videos in the month of September, or order anything from me, doesn't matter how much, you will get the Creative Cardiology team tutorial for free. And this is my gift to you as saying thank you. And these are exclusive tutorials. I don't do videos on them. I don't do anything. The only way you can get them is through the ordering. And the other thing is if you would like to join up, you have till the 10th to join my Forever Fern bundle. If you would like our online class, if you'd like more information in that, click on the description box below and go to Facebook and go up in the notes in my Facebook section, and you will be able to find all the information out on how my online class works. If you can't find it there, please message me or email me and you can get in on this. And you have to the 10th to order it, but you have to use the special hostess code, which is 49WACGN6. The other thing that I'm very, very, very excited about is right now, Stampin' Up! Is having a promotion for anybody that joins Stampin' Up! In the month of September. Not only will you get the normal $125 in Stampin' Up! Product for $99 plus tax. Here in New York it is $106. Not only will you get that, but you'll also get 2 free stamp sets, a set of gems, and you will get 16 pre-cut card kits to get you up and going. And I'll tell you, it's a wonderful promotion for anybody that is interested in trying to start a business right now. You know, maybe you're not back to work, or you want to earn a little extra money because you are out of work. This in Stampin' Up! Is a great way to do that. If you just want to join because you just want to get the discount, that is also possible. That is wonderful that Stampin' Up! Does that too. My goal is to try to find one person this month to join my team. So if you would like to be that lucky person and join my team, in the description box below, there is a link that'll take you to Bonnie's Stampin' Up! Place, and you can hit the join box. So I would love to have you on my team. If you join my team, you get all my tutorials, everything I do for free. Then the last thing I'm doing is World Card Making Day is on October 3rd. If you would like to join my World Card Making class, I'm going to do it in-house and live online. I'm going to video it as we're doing it. And we are going to be using the gorgeous Posey Card Set. This is a wonderful kit. All you have to do is you have to order the the card kit and the bundle. And you have to order that using the host code 3DKWTEER. And you have to order it by the 22nd of September so that you'll get it back in time so that we'll have it to use it on October 3rd. And we're going to have a blast doing this, and it's fun. And I wanted to tell you, you're thinking maybe I don't need this kit or whatever, but my dad could not get out and give my mom cards because he always went with her, and he just couldn't get her birthday card. He was sick, and so, but he loved to give her cards for her birthday and Mother's Day and everything. So I made him a bundle of cards one year, and I gave them to him so that he could give her a card whenever he felt like it. Mother's Day, just a random love you card, whatever, and he absolutely loved that. So if you know somebody that is shut in or something to that effect that could use this bundle and you do it all up for them, what a wonderful gift that would be. So if you would like to do the class, or if you just want to order the kit and do it on your own, you can do that also. But we will be doing it live, and then I'll share it online later. So that is just something I wanted to let you know. And I know that's a lot of spiel, but gosh, Stampin' Up's got so much stuff going on. It is just absolutely wonderful. So let's get started on this little Halloween treat thing. So first of all, we're going to be using, get this out of the way. We're going to be using the Banner Year bundle for this, for our little pumpkin. So we're going to be using this little set. And then for this card, I'm using basic black, but you can use any color cardstock that you want. And this piece is 5.5 by 3.5. And we're going to be doing some scoring on this card. And then we have a piece of DSP that is 5 1/8 by 1 1/8. So let's get out the scoreboard. And we are going to go, and on the 3.5 inch side, we're going to score at 2 inches, or not 2 inches, at 1/2 inch. So we'll score at 1/2 inch. And then we're going to score at 3. I scored it. Okay, let me do this again. We're going to score it at 1/2 inch. Then we're going to move it over to 3 3/4 of an inch. And I already scored that because that's where I did it the first time. And then we're going to score at 2 inches. And then at 2 1/4 inches. And then we are going to turn the card, and we're going to score it at 5 1/4. And we're going to score it right across just like that. So now we have this for a card. Or for a pencil box, I should say. So let's score on all our score lines and give them a good, nice, crisp score. This would be a cute little gift to give right now for kids in school with the pandemic, because I don't know if they're going to, if they do have a little Halloween thing. That's why I wanted to show you guys this soon. So if you did decide that this is something you wanted to make, you could get this made up right away because of it. And so there we go. We got that all done. And now we're going to snip up down here in the bottom, and I don't know if it's going to show. We're just going to snip up to that one, snip up to this one, snip, and snip. So we got these 3 little, or all these are snipped up like that, okay? So our box will go together like this. That's how the box will end up going together. And we don't need this little piece here on the end of this, so we can remove it. I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember until I put it together. I make these so far in advance that sometimes I forget how I do things. It's like I'm reteaching myself. So then we're going to put this together like that. Okay, so on this piece right here, we're going to use some liquid adhesive glue. Now this glue is nothing special. I just transferred, I had a bunch of bottles that were sitting upside down forever, and I finally transferred them over into this glue. But it's the same glue. I love the liquid multi-purpose glue. It dries quick, and I would not switch and go to anything else. I just love it. And you don't need a whole lot, so. But I had a bunch of those bottles sitting upside. I think I had like 3 or 4 of them. And it filled 2 of these little tubes. I was like, wow, I guess I had a lot of that. And then we're going to line this up. I was thinking I could lay it flat, but maybe I can. Okay, you can press it flat. So if you do put that over, just press it flat. That makes it so much easier. And then set it out like that, fix it back up. That is a lot easier. Now, because my thing is on the back here, I want these flaps to go in, this one to go down, and this is my front, so I want that one to go towards the back. So again, I'm just going to take some of this glue. I'll put a little bit of glue in here, and I'll put it down. And then we'll put this down. And then I'll stick my, and just kind of hold it and push it around a little bit. Hold it on there with my finger, which did not work. Hold it. Maybe I didn't give it enough glue. But I did not want to waste all that glue, so that's why I did that. I'm like, I'm not going to waste all that glue. So I put it down in one of these little bottles that I had, and there's some bottles that I use for jewelry, if anybody asks me. I got them in like the jewelry section, or you can use it for quilling, because you need the little fine tip for quilling. So then we're going to take and we're going to put our DSP down. Paper, and we're going to put this on the front of this. Make sure I have the front, and I do. Let me see here. There's a little tiny edge all the way around it. Very tiny. Alright, so now let's get to some stamping. We're going to bring in a scrap piece of Whisper White, and I'm taking pumpkin pie. And I'm going to take this little pumpkin, and I'm going to stamp him up, and I'm going to stamp him right there, just like that. And that will lighten after some time. And then next I'm going to take some Old Olive, and well, that's not the one I want. Oh, and I've got this little stem. I may have to get this closer. We'll see. And it sits right on top. Just kind of like that. It's really cute. And then I went ahead, you could have left it like that if you wanted to, but I figured if I'm going to give it to a little kid, they might like to see the jack-o'-lantern face. So I decided to put the little jack-o'-lantern face on it. And so I did that in the Memento black ink. And I added the little jack-o'-lantern face because it's really cute. And let's see, we'll put this away. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our 1 1/4 inch circle punch, or if you have the die, thin dies and it has a 1 1/4 inch circle punch, you can use that too. Then we're going to punch this out, and then I went ahead and I just used a hand punch. I do not even know what size this is, but it's a tiny hand punch, and I just punched a hole in the top of it like so. I took some of this twine. It came with the Pets bundle of twine. It's black and white. I'm not even sure what it's called. Bad scissors. I need my good scissors right here. I haven't ruined them because I have been doing some naughty cutting with them. I was so mad at myself. I picked them up the other day and I cut some sticky, I'm at the end of my spool. I cut some sticky, wrong one, sticky strip with it. I was like, oh no, no. So you just want to kind of give yourself enough so that you'll be able to tie a bow at the end. And then you just want to go around it a few times. Or not, I should say. You can tie a bow if you want. Not very good at bows for this kind of thread, so I'm just going to tie a knot. And then I take my thread and I just cut it down close. So there you go. And then I just went ahead and it holds 4 pencils in here perfectly. And what a cute little gift. I know when I did these for my kids, I get these from the dollar store, and I even put like one of the little erasers that they have, the Halloween erasers, and I'd put them down in the bottom. You could put a glue dot and attach one on there, and they're really cute. And yeah, you could put these in some little baggies if you wanted. I think they're fine just like this. So I hope you guys liked my quick little Halloween treat holder, and I will be back with number 6 next week. So thanks everybody. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye-bye.